Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think they are good value for money, and at least you should go and try them for yourself to see if they are any good to you. Do your research, and always please try and do your research before you buy. Thank you very much for joining me today. I have an unboxing and first impression today, and this is the Armaf Club de Nuit Intense Man EDP version, and this is a 200 ml. Huge one, okay? So as you can see, the box is the same box as always. I don't think many people wouldn't know this Armaf brand. They are a UAE or basically Dubai based fragrance company. The company itself is called Sterling Perfumes, and they have few brands under their name. One of them is Armaf, and they usually try to copy or inspired by quite expensive fragrances, usually fragrances that are quite expensive and also quite well known and quite famous, okay? In this case they are trying to basically copy or inspired by the king itself, the Creed Aventus. So the first one, it came out, it was 2015. So that was the first Armaf Club de Nuit Intense Man, which was EDT, and that was a beast. Many people liked it, including myself, even though in the beginning when it opened up it was a little bit on the harsh side, but overall it was a beautiful fragrance, and it lasted 12 hours plus on the skin. And at the time you could buy it for 25 quid. So it was fantastic value for money, performed fantastically well, and it smells great. And it was, and it still is, one of the most complimented fragrances in my collection. Every time I put Club de Nuit Intense Man on me, either to work or going out, at least one or two people will tell me, oh my goodness, what are you wearing, okay? And they talk about it, or they ask me what it is, and blah blah blah. So today I have the EDP version. This is a 2020 version, Eau de Parfum, so it's a little bit heavier concentration. By the way, today's EDT, today's Club de Nuit Intense Man EDT doesn't perform as the 2015 one. Unfortunately, it's been watered down, reformulated, and it lasts you much less than the original, and it doesn't project as heavy as the original. So hopefully this is better performer than the EDT, which is available in the market today. So without further ado, let's do this. So as you can see, the box is big, but it's exactly the same box as always. Let's do the quite a nice box. It's quite smooth. The batch code and the information, Armaf logo, more and more. So, and it says here EDP, which is Eau de Parfum, and you get one of this, which is they're trying to say, yes, we are a Creed, basically inspired or copying Creed. And as you can see, the bottle again identical to the original, but this one obviously is much bigger because it's a 200 ml. So the bottle itself is huge and it's very heavy. It says here Club de Nuit on the side, and you get the batch code and everything in there, and the cap itself is similar to the last one, which is again quite heavy glass. And let's see the atomizer. So the atomizer, fantastic atomizer, very good. And again, attention to details is very good. Okay, so this one is, if you go online, you can find it under £60 because it's a 200 ml, so it's a bigger bottle. And this one actually is the best value for money you can buy in terms of Club de Intense Man EDP. Also, it is EDP, which is more concentrated, and it's 200 ml, so it is quite a good value for money. Okay, let's see the smell. Okay, so the smell is almost identical to the original one. This one is much smoother, obviously, because it's EDP. You can tell this is better, a little bit more refined than the original EDT. You can detect the lemon. It's quite lemony in the beginning, but it doesn't have that harshness anymore. And also you can smell inspiration of the Creed Aventus in here. So when you smell it, you can, okay, this is trying to be Creed Aventus. But overall, as always, it is beautiful. At least to me, I love Creed Aventus, but I'm not prepared to pay £300 for a 100 ml bottle. I think that is ridiculous. So if you are you think similar to me, that you are not prepared to pay huge amounts of money for the same smell profile, this is absolutely gorgeous. It is, as I said, EDP, so it's basically performed better than EDT. I looked at a couple of people who had it on the YouTube, and they are saying basically this one performed much better than the EDT. They're saying it goes around 8 to 10 hours, which is fantastic for, you know, the amount of money you're paying. You're getting a fantastic fragrance, good performer, huge bottle, and is much cheaper than Creed Aventus, which is, as I said, very expensive. So gorgeous. You cannot fault it. So if you are interested, this is highly recommended. We all know the Club de Intense Man. Many people know it anyway, but I just went through it because maybe one or two people who, I don't know where they have been on Mars or something, and they basically need to know about these things. Okay. If you have any question, put it down there. I leave in the description. I'm not affiliated, I don't get anything out of it. I bought it with my own money, so to bring it to your attention. So this way, if I put it in the description, you can find a link for the cheapest way you can buy it. As I said, I'm not affiliated. This is not sponsored or anything like that. If you have any question, put it down there. If you know it, you have it, you wore it, please let other people know in the comments as well. That would be very useful for other people to read and see your opinion. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and try to, if you can, share this video. This way will help me to grow my channel and put out videos like this to bring them to your attention. Thank you very much for your support, and see you later. Bye.